Understanding customer expectations and perceptions through marketing research. Part 2. Elements in an effective services marketing research program. Complaint solicitation. Complaint can be used to track weaknesses in service delivery. Critical incident studies. Critical incident studies require a customer to talk about an incident that caused a lasting impression. The respondent is asked to recall a time when an employee did something very good or very bad. Requirements research. It is not advisable to depend on intuition or assumptions for deciding the design of quantitative research. Customers are asked what they want, why they want it, and how they will know they have received it. Trailer calls. Trailer calls or post-transaction surveys. Trailer calls are short questionnaires about the service. It is administered immediately after the service has been delivered. In business-to-business situations where a service is being delivered on an ongoing basis, service teams directly involved in providing the service interact with customer representatives, usually at periodic intervals such as a quarter or a year. The questions revolve around 8 to 10 delivery attributes identified by focus group interviews. The service team tries to listen rather than present their side. Typical questions are what they expect in terms of 8 to 10 major attributes, how the delivery team has performed in respect of each of the attributes, rank the attributes according to their importance. Process checkpoint evaluations. Where a service is provided over a long period, such as consulting, construction, and architecture, it is necessary to receive client feedback at intermediate points. The service is broken up into multiple phases and feedback is obtained at each stage. Standard formats of research may not provide correct or honest answers. Service providers observe customers in person or on video camera. Employees join customer groups to experience the service and make observations. Such observations can yield information that the customer may not admit to in an interview. Mystery shopping. Outside research organizations are engaged to send people to experience services as customers. Information is used to make an assessment about the service and the performance of individual employees. Customer panels. Panels comprising regular users of a service are formed, such as frequent flyers or regular moviegoers. The panels meet at regular intervals. New service introductions are evaluated and features are added or modified based on feedback given by the panel. Lost customer research. These are conducted when a customer stops using the service. Weaknesses in delivery can be identified. Future expectations research. As competition increases and consumer tastes change, companies are required to anticipate consumer expectations. Features research. Features research scans features of the service that customers find desirable. Upward communication. The employees who meet customers for providing services are in a position to give valuable feedback. Important feedback can also be received from intermediate customers such as dealers, distributors, agents, and brokers. Some companies use formal employee suggestion schemes to receive feedback from the operational levels. Analyzing and interpreting marketing research findings. A graph can be used to track customer expectations and perceptions of service reliability. Service quality perceptions are mapped relative to zones of tolerance by dimensions. The importance performance matrix is a matrix that maps the importance of an attribute vis-a-vis the performance of the provider in delivering that attribute.